you how to use Hubspot for AI for email marketing. Now to do that, you need to head over here to your left sidebar, and then from in there, you can see this option for marketing. You can see in here the option for email, so head over and then click on that. And then you can see in here this email marketing for the Hubspot. So you can actually send out your first email right here, but you can also choose in here a provider if you're new in it, if you want to use MailChimp, or you can use another provider as well. So for example, let's use this mute email. And then from in there, you can head over and then import your contacts, your opt-out list, as well as your first email. So you can head over and then just do this on your case, import all of the things that you want. But once you have done that, you can head over and create your first email. Click on this create email right here. And then you can make this an automated email, a blog, or also a regular email right here. So for example, let's use in here an actual regular, or you can also use a blog email. So for me, I'll head over and then click on this blog email right here. And then you can choose Hubspot blog or external blog. So I'll head over and then use in here a blog. And then the frequency will be weekly. Now click on this continue right here. And then once you have done that, you can select a template that you can use for this case. So for example, for this, let's head over and then create in here an e-commerce welcome or a product launch. Let's click on this one. And then once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see the template on it on the editor itself. So in here, let's just wait and you can see this. So we can see in here the sample blog post and all of these things right here that you can choose from. You can also add some text. So for example, right here, you can add some text for this case. And then once you have added some text, you can actually edit it out according to your liking. You can personalize it as well, but you need to insert some tokens and you can apply this on all of the sites right here. Now, on the blog post that will be added right here, you can use AI in order to generate their content for this particular case. So you can click on them, then edit out their particular content right here. You can change out the blog, the display, the summary, and all of these things right here. Once you're done with that, head over and review the published. So that's how you use HubSpot for AI for email marketing. Hope we helped.